Hey MES and RES friends, it's Mrs. Skian here. I'm here to do today's activity from our building and design kit, our treehouse building and design kit. And today we are doing activity 4B, which is design a sky-high treehouse. So if you guys would like, you can use your design outline. So you can always use your planning sheet if you would like to lay out your design. Or you can just follow this and you can make changes if it doesn't work the way that you want it to work, like we had talked about in the previous videos. So to start off, you're going to want your hexagon shaped green piece, large one. You're going to want your large leaf piece. You're going to want 3 of the green smaller leaves and 6 of the brown, the longer brown pieces. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 6 of the shorter brown pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have your blue piece, this blue piece here, and you will need 5 of the blue pieces that snap together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 4 triangular pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 of your brown corner pieces. And we can't forget Joe, right? We have Joe here again. And then you have 6 little purple pieces and 2 long purple pieces. So I kept my ladder together. If you guys watched the last video, you saw how I constructed the ladder, how I put this together. So you're going to want to take all 6 of your pieces and snap them together. But as we had determined during the last video, you need to make sure that your long purple pieces are on the same side. So the way of noticing that they are on the same side, can you see those? They have the little divots in. So you're going to want to make sure that they are facing the same way, because that's going to be how it rests on your tree house. So for your ladder to rest on the tree house, it needs to be the same way. So let's start with our base. Let me put this down. Okay. So here is our treehouse base. So we need this for our base. Put that up a little bit more. Okay, so there is our base. Then we need 6 of these. So actually, to start, I'm sorry, we only need, how many? We need 2. So 1, 2. Then we're going to put the 2 shorter brown pieces on. 1, 2. We're going to make this extra tall. This is my dream, is to make a large tree house. I want to make a huge tree house for my kids, but I don't know if we'll get the opportunity to do that. If you guys have a tree house, like, please take a picture. Have your an adult take a picture, or you take a picture somehow and send it to me. I would love to see your tree house. My son and my daughter actually take all kinds of sticks and they make their own forts outside, which is a ton of fun. But tree house would be super cool, wouldn't it? So we started out here. Now we are going to put a little short brown piece on the side with a tree, with a leaf, a small leaf. So they are on the side. Then looks like we need 2 more brown pieces for up on the top. So all together, you're going to have 3. 1, 2, 3. You're going to have, it's kind of like a pattern. So you're going to have a dark brown, a light brown, and a dark brown. Even though it doesn't go on, but that's it. And then you are going to want to put your hexagon shape, put that back a little bit more and tilt that up. I don't know if you guys can see this very well. Let me pull it back there. Okay. So the hexagon shape, and you're going to want to put that on the top of the 2 posts that you made. And then up on the top of that, you can put a blue piece up here. Looks like just, you can just stick it up on the top. I don't think it really matters what way it goes. Feel free to redesign as you would like. Okay, and then on this brown piece, we're going to put a corner piece on so that it faces out. And then a long brown piece, it looks like. We're going to put that on, like where the corner piece is. Goodness, it's very hard to get this whole thing, isn't it, you guys? Okay, so now you should be able to see there, okay, how that looks. So now, as you remember from the other videos, with these, with the triangular pieces, they just snap together. And then they all fold down and snap together. And then this piece goes right here, okay, on the top. And then on the blue piece, we're going to put another corner piece on. So can you see that? Okay. Corner piece. It looks like there is a shorter brown piece on this one. Not really seeing where the other long brown piece goes. I don't know, maybe. Let's see where that one goes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we only needed, we have 6. 1, 2, my goodness, 3, 4, 5. Oh, no wonder why. Sheesh, I'm missing a piece. Okay. So there's the middle piece here. And then we put another leaf on here. So on the top of that, and then another leaf right here on the side. I wonder why I missed the last one. Okay, and then we can put these, our blue pieces together, snap those all together. Okay. And now this can hang. So remember, again from a previous video, how we talked about how there are little holes in the side here for this to latch to. So let's snap that in. See how it dangles down? Stays right there. Actually, it's supposed to go on the other side because you want it to be, you want them to be able to get up onto the leaf and then be able to jump up. I guess it doesn't really matter, but if you would like it to be like the directions show, then that's where you would put it. So there's that, and then let's see, where does our ladder, oh, I gotcha. So the ladder goes right here. So, goodness, I screwed up again, you guys. Okay, so then this smaller brown piece goes here in the middle, and then the larger brown piece goes on top of it. And see, can you guys see that? All right, so now we have the ladder that can go up to that. You see? Goes up to the top. So now they have a ladder. Joe has a ladder to go all the way up. And Joe is on top of the treehouse. You can't see Joe on the treehouse, but he is way up there on top. And dropping stuff. Okay. Then we're going to take the last piece. And we take our rope, again, tie it around where the bucket, right around the bucket. So then that way you have it and it's dangling. And then you can just hang it down over the side of this. Stick that in here. Oh no, Joe. Uh-oh. Hopefully Joe doesn't get a concussion from that. Ugh. That's not very nice, huh? Okay. So here we go. So now Joe can get down and he can pull stuff up if he wants, or somebody else can pull stuff up to Joe if he's in the top of his treehouse. All right, so let's check this out, guys. You see all the way. You can't get it here. There is the full treehouse. Super cool. All right, I hope you guys had fun building this one. Go on outdoors and build your own if you don't have one. It'd be so much fun. So I will see you guys later. I'm going to take another video. I'll take a video of the last activity that is in our box, which is 5A. So stay tuned for the next one. See you guys later.